Now we look at web work questions, a few questions on average of a function. Problem 1. Find the average value of function fx, which is 3 by x cubed plus 8x on the interval 1 to 2. So 3 by x cubed plus 8x on the interval 1 to 2. The average value of a function is 1 over length of the interval, that is 2 minus 1, integral 1 to 2, 3 by x cubed plus 8x dx. Okay, it's a simple 1 over length of the interval, integral from the limits of your original function. The rest is straightforward. You are looking for the antiderivatives, that is the integrals, with the limits, applying them to the limits 1 to 2. So notice 2 minus 1 is simply 1. So this fetches me just a 1 there. That's why it's not written over here. So now you are going to simply substitute 2 for x, substitute 1 for x, calculate, and that's my final answer. 105 divided by 8. 105 divided by 8. Correct. Next problem. Find the mean value of the function fx equals absolute value 8 minus x on the closed interval 7 to 10. Okay. Absolute value 8 minus x on the closed interval 7 to 10. Now you see this is absolute value. It's integral. You really need to know the graph of that curve 8 minus x, absolute value 8 minus x. If you did not have the absolute values, then this is simply 8 minus x. The graph of 8 minus x, that's a linear function, is simply a straight line, is a line. Starting, it's a line joining 0, 8 and 8, 0. But I'm going to take absolute value, so the positive side stays above, whereas the negative part is reflected above. So the line segment basically comes down and then flips back again. So my closed interval is from 7 to 10. So what is the definition of average value? Average value is mean. That is 1 over length of the entire interval, 7 to 10. The length of the entire interval is 10 minus 7. Yes. Integral 7 to 10 of my function. But integral of a function is nothing but area under a curve. You don't need to work very hard here. Area under this curve, starting from 7, going until 10. All I see is a small triangle here and a big triangle here. The small triangle has length 1, height 1. Big triangle has a base length 2 and height 2. We know area of the triangle. So I have 1 over 3 outside because that's 10 minus 7. And sum of two areas. The first area is 1 times 1 by 2. Base times height over 2, plus the second triangle has 2 times 2 over 2. Okay, so essentially this is half, this is 2, 2 and a half, that is 5 over 2 times 1/3. It is 5 over 6. Good. Next problem I'll continue in the next video.